So a colleague recently asked about how he could get his kids to draw graphs without using so much paper. With Google Apps, we had a good drawing program, but with Office 365, there's really not a good equivalent for drawing, and I recommend PowerPoint for drawing with shapes and things, but not for freehand drawing. So there are two good options if you want to have students annotating or drawing, especially on a graph. The first thing is that you need to start out with a blank graph, so you can just go to Google Images and Google blank graph. Let's take this one. I'm going to drag this to the desktop, and then I'm going to double click it to open it with Preview. In Preview, in the toolbar, if you click on this toolbox right here, you'll see that you have a bunch of tools you can use to mark it up. There's a freehand drawing tool, so we can go ahead and draw some supply and demand curves. We can also annotate it with arrows, and we can change the colors, and we can add some text. There we go. And then we have a very quick graph, and when I close this, it saves it automatically. So we can see that that preview has been updated there. And then they can upload that to wherever you want. The other option is an online tool called Sketchpad, and the address of that is sketch.io/sketchpad. What we can do here is actually copy this image and then go in here and paste it. We might want to use the crop tool here to make that a little smaller, and I'm going to double click to crop it. Okay. And now when I click on this pen, I have a choice of tools. You'll probably want them drawing with the pen. Okay. And then if we want to be a little more precise, so we've got a line tool. There's path if you want to do curves. There's also an arrow. Let's see there. Let's stamp that right there. And just like preview, we can also have text. There we go, and we can resize it. And there we've got a quick graph as well. When you're ready, you can save this by clicking on the floppy disk icon, and you can just save it as a JPEG. And that'll get downloaded to your downloads folder. So there we go. Two different tools for quick drawing in class using your computer.